What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage, man. Back at it. All this gum in my mouth. It's hot as a motherfucker. It's like 110 degrees. But we got Manny in the cut. Got the Retro Wiz kid and boy Q, man.
Yo.
They pulled the low riders out, or not the low riders.
Y'all fucking the low riders.
Y'all pulled the G bodies out, man. I'm telling you, I'm about to get one very soon. Y'all just wait. We're about to check out all these little G bodies they got out here, all the rims. We've already passed a whole bunch. I've seen a whole bunch of dope stuff, so y'all stay tuned.
Are you making a movie?
Mm-hmm.
I seen that Regal. You seen that Regal on them switches sitting up?
And Manny will take control of the camera. So like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this little vlog, man. All red thing, you know what I'm saying? Match the charger, that'd be super hard. I don't know if I want an all red one or all black one though. I know red and black thing, you know, my favorite colors, you feel me? That mug right there is super hard. Got the, what do you call it, the flakes in there?
Yeah, man.
That mug purdy, boy.
That candy red on that thing, boy. That candy red got that thing.
Steering wheel, he got like the chain steering wheel on that thing too.
That candy red popping on that bitch, boy.
That shit nice. I don't like the switches, man.
All red in the inside of that bitch.
Make me feel like I'm from like Cali or something. Like the switches and shit. Today's video topic is the two modifications I had, the tail light and the side markers, some addendum things. And I still haven't got the window tint, so I haven't straight piped it, but like I said, I'm gonna let you guys know everything in the process of my car. But I am trying to get me a G-body, man. That's why we out here looking, scoping, seeing what I like, seeing what color I want, what kind of car I want, all that type of stuff. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do that. Tail light, tint, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll, all the cars out here. And yeah, y'all stay tuned.
Look,
so far, bro.
we seen a lot of shit.
But
Do
what
you
else
see
we
this
see?
face? Do you see this face, G?
Man, it's hot, bro.
Boy, it is hotter than beef patties out this thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Man, matter of fact, look at this shit, bro. My arms, everything, I'm sweating,
I'm
bro.
gonna let you know your shirt is sweaty, bro.
My shirt
sweaty.
is definitely sweaty,
I'ma let you
bro.
know. You said I ain't let them know yesterday in the video.
Hold on, let me
Sweaty,
get.
bro.
Let me go ahead and get that. Y'all know what? Y'all probably be wondering what Retro be wearing all the time. So we go ahead and get y'all that fit drip. We got on them Dreamy Dooley 9s today. You know what I'm saying? I got the white man can't jump shirt on. You know what I'm saying? There
Check
you
the
go
back
right
out.
there.
Check the back out.
Let me go ahead and show y'all what the back looking like real quick. We got the heating with the Dreamy Dooley 9s.
That's a nice fit, bro.
And then we got the sample hat.
So guys, we are headed to the mall. We headed to the mall, y'all boys, man. We got to see what they got sitting, you feel me? And I'm not bringing my camera in. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I want to feel like a normal person. You don't know how many eyes I get. How many people stare at you? How many people like, what the are you doing right now? And I just want to go in here, chill with my broski. You know, he been recording the last couple days. I know he tired. He handed me the camera the other day, and that man started like stretching his hand out. I was dying laughing. I was like, oh yeah, that mug is heavy, bro. Canon AD is super big. But like I said, we're headed to the mall, see what they got. I'm gonna try to find some graphic tees. I know everybody be like, well, you ain't get Manny nothing yet. Hey, I got my little bro. Y'all pipe down, you feel me? I got this.
Here to spend some time.
Yeah, we just spending time right now. When it's his time, it's his time. He already know that, man. I always make sure my little bro's straight. You already know, man. It's like my son, man, for real. I love him like my son, bro. It's crazy. But I'm glad to have him out here for a little time. We're gonna see what we can do with this upcoming time. You know what I'm saying, train on his basketball. Trying to get him in some baseball as well, man. He playing. I'm telling you, baseball where the money at, bro. I'm telling you, bro, baseball where the money. But he's focused on basketball right now, so we're gonna get him focused on that. Get some training in. They got 24-hour gym access now, so me and my boy about to be training all night. You feel me? But yeah, we head to the mall right now, trying to find some shoes. You know, I'm always looking for shoes, but now I'm really looking for these graphic tees because I know I kind of like downsized my whole clothing when I was in Germany. And I got like a whole bunch of graphic tees now, so, and I want to start rocking the button downs, man. It's super hot out here. That'd be a nice way to like cool down, you feel me? So Y'all boys stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the new little vlogs. I'm not doing a lot of crazy edits. I'm really just throwing clips in there and showing y'all how my day is going. Make sure y'all follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Link will be in the description box below. I just posted a photo with the Celia shirt, you know what I'm saying? I got this from H&M for like 30 bucks, as y'all seen, or 20 bucks. Perfect with the reverse Ferraris. And now I'm just looking for more of these graphic tees. So I appreciate all of the support, man. We're trying to get to that 20K. We're trying to go past 20K, man. That's not the end goal, but I'm trying to get that 20K, you feel me? I'm trying to get that 20K. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned, man. All right, guys, we finally back at the crib, man. You see I changed. It was super, super hot. But we're about to put these tail light tint on there and the side marker tint. Very quick install, but I do want to show you guys this modification on the whip. So we're going to be tinting this right here. I ain't even showing. This right here. This one back here. Same as my side, and then the back, of course, tail light. Showing the tail lights. And then get a good little look at it. It's in there in this package right here. Dude, it's already hot, bro. I'm telling you, man. Paper, warranty, okay. And then we got the side markers. This don't look like it's it, do it?
I wouldn't know.
Oh no, this is for the bumper, bro. Woo, almost messed up.
A little bit of a struggle.
That's the left. All right, let's get these things out real quick. I don't even know how it go. Oh, like that. Duh. That's easy, bro. I ain't gonna judge you. So we're gonna do it like that right there. Yes, sir. Oh, fuck, almost. Surprised they didn't give us no like the little thing. You know what I'm talking about, right? What's it called, Candy? Tell them what it's called.
A little card, right?
Tell them what it's called, G.
I don't know what it's called.
You my G, bruh. Okay. You talking about I was hurting. Like I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
You definitely struggling at first.
I was struggling, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna put this other one on there real quick. Told y'all it's easy install. Take it off, hold that camera, man. Boom, just like that. Yeah, I gotta get a credit card. Hold it right here. Use the credit card. Oh yes, sir. Oh, it's just still not looking good though. I guess it ain't gonna look perfect, huh? I'm pulling it out and everything too. You know what I'm saying?
You might have to pull up and down too, not just.
Cause it look like I'm about to tear it. I don't like how I got that, but it'd be good, you know.
Yeah.
All right, so we got that one in. Now let's get to the other side. How you liking it already?
It's dope.
So I'm saying I can't wait to tint the windows, man. That window tint gonna be super fire. I'm telling y'all, man. This one was way easier. Why is this one way easier than the longer one?
Because it's small.
Oh, why is it small? How easy that is. I'm going there so easily. So we got that one on there. You know, now it's time for the last hoorah, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in this long video. I appreciate it, man. And it's only cost, what, 20 bucks? And then the side markers cost 12 bucks. So altogether, like 32 bucks. Did I do the math right? Well, maybe I should go from this side, huh?
Maybe.
It's kind of hard.
Just don't tug at it too hard. Like, don't pull too straight.
Okay, got you. You know, like that. No. This one look way better than the other one, huh? I should have did like that. You just tuck the little excess in there, you know. Don't gotta be perfect. All right, so that's it. That thing look clean, boy. Tell me that look clean. That look way cleaner, huh? All right, so let's do the side markers real quick. Another quickie. Pop it out the box. All right, this one is easier too. You got the front. Oh, you got a little sticker too. You gave me a little sticker, a little 9. Should I put it on my window? Nah. All right, it's the front. Check it out. Right here, and I got this off eBay, like I said. This one was 12 bucks. So it got the front and the rear. This should be way easier to install. Cause it's only right here, you know what I'm saying? Got one just like that. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at there. Look at that.
You like it?
That's clean as hell, boy. That's just hardest part is getting it off the paper. All right, let's do this side. Yes, Lord. I was about to say, what's going on? All right, let's put that thing right there. Put that thing right there, right there, right there. Got this camera, man? Because we want the people to see how to do this precisely, you know?
Okay.
Oh, that one looks better, though. What you think?
Yeah.
There we go. We just tuck the rest in there. That's a lot of extra, though. That thing there look crispy, boy. What you think?
I like it.
All right, now we're gonna do the rear real quick. That was quick. Take the rims out. Woo-wee. I'm so excited for this car. See, I kinda got that like little, I don't know. Kinda like you can't tell if it's all the way straight or if it's too high. Cause the shape is weird. It's not a perfect symmetrical shape, you know? I'm trying to use big words. Why am I trying to use big words? See, that thing not. If I get too much dirt on there. See if I can not get this on there. How you doing? I'm going from the bottom. See, he's still not doing it. Try to curve it myself. I'm not going straight up and down there. All right. Let's do the other side. Y'all see, I'm already sweating bullets, even with shorts on. So I guess it don't matter what clothes you wear, really, in Texas. You're either gonna be hot or you're gonna be in the AC somewhere. All right. This side's been good to me. Look at that. Look how easy that one was. Look at that right there. Look at that. That was way easier. You know? And that sun here is going to heat it up. It's going to sit right on the light, man. Trust me. Like 100 degrees outside. Let that sit for a little while. It's going to come out perfect, y'all. So that's it for the install. Check it out. Go around the back. I'm sweating, y'all. Sorry. The back. Got the like 20%. I think it's like 20% tint or 15%. Did that one. Did the side. You can show them around the whip. Hit the B-roll on them. I'll show them the B-roll later. But yeah, let's show them the B-roll later. Okay. So we're gonna see how it looks. Let's see how it looks.
Turn it on.
Yeah.
Maybe taking a little while to. Yeah, there we go.
You ready? That thing look crisp, boy. All right, let me put it in reverse real quick. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this first mod I did on the car. More mods coming. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other mods I should do on the Charger. I know I had that Challenger before. I did all the mods I could. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Appreciate all love and support. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.